Mastering idioms, sitting tight. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms. Idioms are phrases that don't mean what they literally say but have a figurative meaning instead. Understanding these can really add flair to your English. In this video, we're unraveling the mystery behind the phrase, sitting tight. So, let's sit tight and get started. When someone says, sit tight, they're not talking about sitting in a cramped space or holding a tight grip on a chair. This phrase is actually an idiom, and its meaning is quite different from the individual words it's made up of. Sitting tight means to wait patiently and not take any action just yet. It's like saying, hold on where you are, and don't make a move. The phrase, sitting tight, has a fascinating history. It's believed to originate from situations where staying still or maintaining one's position was crucial. Over time, it evolved into a metaphor for waiting calmly for the right moment to act. You might hear it in various contexts, like someone advising you to sit tight until more information becomes available, or suggesting you sit tight because help is on the way. Let's see how this idiom plays out in real-life scenarios. 1. The weather is quite unpredictable today. Sit tight until the storm passes. 2. I know you're eager to hear back from the university. Just sit tight, and you'll get the email soon. 3. We're still waiting for the final approval from the boss, so sit tight until then. While using sitting tight, ensure that the context implies waiting or pausing action. It's not used for situations that involve physical tightness or discomfort. Remember, idioms are all about the figurative meaning, not the literal one. And that wraps up our journey through the phrase, sitting tight. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in using this idiom and enriches your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to sit tight and explore more idioms. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.